Greetings, Mr. Shekels and classmates. This is my app as required for Project 4. My son is holding it. It's a lot easier to do this with a little bit of assistance. I'll show you briefly how it runs, and then we'll go over my code. First, I'm going to try to log in, and I don't know if you can see this, but it displays text that says username cannot be empty. So then I'll go ahead and enter my name. There's my name, and then we'll log in. User Michelle Larimore has been logged in. Okay, next we'll click on the show date. There is today's date and time, and I live in Central Standard. And then the information. Don't know if you can see that. This application was written by Michelle Larimore. So there we have the app. Now, to address some of the questions listed on the project, what I do, obviously, Project 4 was learning learning the information button, the date with the pop-up. I think this week, to me, I don't think I need any clarification. It was pretty cut and dry. I found it a lot easier than week 3. And what could I have done better? I think I did okay. The only thing that I may have changed, I think my code is clean and looks good. But I've seen it written other ways where the tags are all together. I had my tags within each specific button. Okay, and now we'll go to the code. Here we are with my code. I'll start off with my header file. I've got username label is a UI label, message labels UI label, info label UI label, add sub UI view, and UI text field, username text field, and then my void on click UI button, which will run my function. And here's my code. I've got my username label here, my text field here for entering the username, the login button, my message label, which at first says please enter username, and then when you click on the button, login button, that's when it says that the username cannot be empty, and then when you put your name in it and click on the button, it'll say your name has been logged in. Here's the date button code, info button code. Here's my function, my on-click function. And then, of course, what I was speaking of earlier about some people putting their tags, their button tags, in their own little section. I like that idea. I personally set my tags within each button. My login button is a 0, date button's 1, info button is 2, and here is my date alert, and that's it for Project 4. I look forward to future classes, and good luck, everybody.